supposed to say Ghostbusters. What did Poppy do?
This one on hold mode.
I think we come out this side.
Yeah, other side. There you go.
You're welcome.
What the hell? Oh. Is it just broken? For context, some dude just randomly pressed the button. Oh. This is good content. Going up? Oh, is it automatic? No, it might be on the Mac. I did not press that. Excuse phone noises.
This is Everon.
Oh. Hello?
Emergency.
Hello?
Yes, sir. This is a live operator. Is there an emergency?
No, there's not. Someone was leaning against the button.
All right. Thank you for responding.
Yeah.
Guard, you have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye. Help.
Is it going to do it again?
If you would like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial the operator. Thank you.
I didn't do it.
If you would like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial the operator. Thank you. If you would like to make a call,
Done? I think it's stopped. You're welcome. Hold the door. This one.
That was interesting.
That's still off. I probably should have started filming before I even boarded. Let's get the other one. It took forever to respond to that phone. Excuse me? It's here. Oh, super really submerged in there. This one's a lot more clunky than the other one. It's needed now.
That's weird a little bit.
Okay, that sounds great. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. STR. And we'll close. There it goes. And that's it.